So we are here today at Grafton High School to celebrate teachers, and we awarded one teacher $25,000 for her use. And I'm so excited to be here. She is an amazing teacher, and Grafton is a fantastic community. Great day to lift up teachers. Keep doing what you're doing, because from after school programs all the way up to CTE programs, you guys are killing it, knocking it out of the park, and you are an example for the rest of the state.
At the Milken Foundation, we believe that educators have the most important job in this country because they are entrusted with the awesome responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future. Didn't I say that this is one of the greatest teachers in our nation? Okay, so Superintendent Baesler, do you think you could find one more zero? The Milken Educator Award goes to Katelyn Gorder.
I teach because it's important, and I teach because I care about others, and I teach because, I don't know, I've just always wanted to be a teacher ever since I was a kid. And I have lots of family members that teach, and just kind of always wanted to do it. So,
Katie, that's so awesome.
Thanks.
That's amazing. So, totally surprised?
Yeah.
That
Yes.
is such an honor.